How to enable iMessage on your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list to find and tap on Messages. Then again scroll to find and turn on iMessage if it's not already on. Once iMessage is activated, the Send and Receive option will appear right below. Tap on it. This menu allows you to choose which phone numbers and email addresses you want to use to send and receive iMessages. After ensuring your phone number or Apple ID email is checked in the Send and Receive menu. Following these steps, you can easily enable iMessage on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.